Alright guys, so I bought two LED bar lights from King's from Full Drive Super Center. I've got a 40-inch slimline bar light and a 20-inch that I want to put on my roof rack. And to get it on the roof rack, Rhino Rack sells them for 80 bucks. So if I have to get two of those, it's $160, right? So I went to Bunnings, bought a few of these brackets. These are $2.50 each, so that's $5, and these are $3 each. That's $6, so $11 in total. I'm gonna paint them black so it suits the roof rack, the Pioneer roof rack. The primer, it's about $14, and the black paint, which is about $14, $15, so that's about $30. So all up is $40. Definitely a cheaper option. So I'm gonna paint these now. And I'll show you how I do it. So these are the brackets here, guys. So last night I took off the adhesive, took off the labels, and sprayed some WD-40 and scrubbed it all off on all of them. So it's now ready to go. Also washed it off with some soap. It's all dry. It's ready to be painted. Got some gloves on. So what we're going to do is we're going to prime them first, maybe 2 coatings. And then paint it black. A couple of coatings on that too. So let's prime it and leave it for maybe an hour. So the primer will help the paint stick to the metal. That's it. Now I'll just leave it for it to dry and then recoat it and do it again. Okay, so I'm just doing the second coating for the primer. Alright guys, so I'm applying my first paint. So I'm using the Jupiter Color trim and bumper. The reason I'm using it is because whatever's left I'm going to actually use it on my bumper, and I'll do another video on that. So this is going to be the first coating, paint coating. Looking good. Alright, let's let that dry. Let's do another coating. So we've done one coat. Do another coat. Now from the last time I learned it was I've got to do it a bit more distance. That's it. Let's put it out in the sun for that to dry. I think that's enough. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Not bad. Still a bit sticky though. Alright guys, so these are the King's slimline LED bar light that I've got. It's a 40-inch. This will go in front of the roof rack. Just go through the things that I've got here to be able to install it. So you've got the LED bar. You've got these brackets that go on the back of it. You can do it on the side, but it's too wide. So you go on you purchase these separately, and you can adjust the size or the distance. These brackets then attach to it, like so. Which is attached to the bracket that I just painted, right? I bought a couple of these cap screw M8 20 millimeters, which will then attach to this sliding nut. Okay, a couple of washers. This is what connects these brackets. Again, man, I'm not really too sure what the names are, but at least you can see what I'm doing. So first thing I've done is put one of these in there. I'll show you how it's done. Just get these little screws straight in. Okay, it's not getting right in, so let's do that again. That's it, straight in there. Have to kind of figure this out, and then you would actually screw it in. So you screw it in first. Use the Allen key to hold it in place. Once it's all in place, there's a little spacing there that you can slot it in. Just slot it in. Okay. Once that's slotted in, we'll quickly measure to make it even. So to the end there, let's say it's 14, put it about 14 centimeters, make it 15. I want to move that. I'll do it 15, so 15 centimeters. Let's say, so that's 15 right there. That's 15 right there, so we'll just tighten that. Okay, get it nice and tight. And let's adjust the other side. Okay, 15 there. So 15 right there. That's it. Next thing we'll do is put in these brackets. Okay. So make sure you bolt this on first before you put it on. I use the lock nut. Makes it tighter. Alright, just realized that, you don't have to put a washer on this side, just on the one side. So just like that. Now we'll do it with the other one. It's important you do this before you install it, because it's going to be impossible for you to put this on. Well, you can actually, but it's just going to be a bit harder. Alright guys, so let's install the brackets. So you put them on first. And slide them in. That's what we did before. Oh, lucky for me, I've got a sunroof. Just makes it a bit easier. Okay. So I'm putting these on the top. Measure it up with the tape. See what the distance is. Okay. Guys, just putting on the light. Yes, and I'm got a sunroof. Just kind of a benefit. Oh crap, hold on. Just gotta tighten this up. That's the light bar right there at the top. Let's just make sure I can close my sunroof. Let's see if I open this up. Oh, it touches it. That should be alright. I never open it that way anyway. That's it. So I'm gonna put the 20-inch on the back, and then I'll do a separate video on the wiring.